Welcome to Art Magic.
Drawing Chuck, the speedy yellow bird from the Angry Birds family, is a fun and creative activity for kids. Chuck's triangular shape makes him easy to draw. Follow these steps to create your own version of Chuck, and don't forget to color him to bring out his vibrant personality. Start by drawing an upside-down triangle in the center of your paper. This triangle will form Chuck's body. Make the top of the triangle slightly curved to give him a more dynamic shape. These will be Chuck's feathers sticking up. At the bottom right corner of the triangle, draw 3 sharp, spiky lines pointing outward to form Chuck's tail feathers. Color Chuck's body bright yellow. Color Chuck's beak and feet orange. By following these steps, you'll have a lively and dynamic Chuck ready to join the Angry Birds action. Happy drawing! Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.